Hi, dears. We'll continue with the poem The Road Not Taken, Poem 1 in our Unit 1. Let's go with the author for a while. Here I'm sharing the short bio sketch of Robert Frost. Just have a look at it and prepare a biographical sketch of the writer. Third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden back. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. Here the poet is standing in front of two roads which is being diverged, and both the roads were laying equally in that early morning, which were being covered by the leaves and were not being walked over by anybody. Now the poet says that he kept the first road for another day, which means he is choosing the second road, even though he repeatedly says that one road is leading into another roads and will be leading again into another roads, and he is not sure whether he'll be come back or to travel the first road or not. But somehow he feels that he has to choose the second road for the time being, and he chooses it like that. Now the last stanza of the poem. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Now after a long time, after choosing the diverged junction, the poet is telling about his previous experiences, how he experienced when he chose the second road. With a deep sigh, with a great breath, a long breath, he is telling that somewhere ages and ages hence, long back, there were two roads which diverged in front of me, and I took the less travelled by road. I took the road which was being less travelled by people. And he continues that has made all the difference in his mind and in his life also, which means a choice in our life has that much importance in our life. When we are taking a right choice, it will be leading us into a happy life. At the same time, when we are taking a wrong choice, it will be leading us into a sad life for the entire part, for the rest of the life. That's what the poet says here, and asks us or advises us to be always right with our choices and be satisfied and happy with whatever we choose. Hope you understood the poem, and we'll go with the literature aspects and the literary devices used in the poem. Here I am sharing a briefing of the literary devices which are being used in the poem generally. You can even find out a little bit more here and there, like alliteration, rhyme scheme, repetition, and all those points you can even find out in the other lines also, which are not mentioned here. You have to find out them, understand them, because when a question comes, you must be able to answer. Hope you are clear about the poem. It's time for me to wind up. Thank you. Have a nice day.